Okay, how to make Ellen Animoji. Here, let's start with skin color. She has some light skin. Hairstyle, she got short hair. I think I found the one that I like, but I'm gonna try something different just for kicks. Okay, no, not that one. Not, oh no, no, nope, no. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, let me try this. Nope. Yep, that's it. Nope. Have to go back. That's the closest one, I think. So you have a lot of options for hairstyle here. So you kind of you can make yourself look like somebody else's or make it look like you. So okay, for the nose or for the brows, she's more straight than curved brows. For her eyes, she has those bright blue eyes that I really love. So let's see which one is close enough. She has a kind of straight then curved eyebrows, so let's see which one is close. I really love her eyes though, those bright blue eyes. Okay, that's close enough. Her face shape is kind of oval. Okay. Nose, she has a nice nose too, long and prominent. Her lips or mouth is kind of wide but not really. And lip color, just putting a little bit of color in it. Earrings, I'm not really sure. Nope. Facial hair, okay, nope, she doesn't have those hair on her face. Eyewear, no, at least she doesn't wear eyewear, I mean glasses on this picture. So I'll just put earbuds, like earphones, like Apple one, on her ears. It looks nice on her. Okay, that's it. So just Min Ho Animoji. Okay, let's start with the skin. Skin color is he's kind of a pale white, light complexion, I think, without freckles. Okay, I'm gonna choose his hair. I think his hair is kind of same with Ellen's hair, so we'll see. Nope, no, not that one. Okay. No, little bit, but not in this picture that I'm looking at right now. Not that kind of hair. So I think it's the same one with Ellen's hair. Okay. Nope. You have to go back up, back up, back up. Okay. There you go. For hair color, so you have a lot of, you can blend the colors there. So it's up to you if you wanted to really copy as close as you can get. So you can just blend if you're really good in blending. I'm not good at it, so this is okay. For his eyebrows, I love his eyebrows. He got thick eyebrows. It makes him look nice. I want those kind of eyebrows too. Bushy. Sassy. Nasty, no. Just eyebrows. Bushy brows. Okay. Eyes. His eyes is kind of deep set. I think it's kind of deep set. Okay. Almond eyes or something like that. Let's see. For the lashes, no, that's no way. That'll work. Okay. Nope. No eyeshadow makeup. No. Okay. I think that's close enough. Okay. Let's go back to the head. It's like the P shape. It's kind of a long, oblong face. That looks good on him. So okay. Perfect. There you go. Okay. For the nose, of course, without piercings. For the lips, let's blend some color here. Get some nice kissable lips. It's kind of pinkish tan or something. No, not that one. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, it's good. There you go. G's Ricky. Fix the one that is good for him. Stop playing. It's hard to voice over somebody else's. So for the facial hair, yeah, that's good enough, Ricky. Okay. No eyewear for that picture. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, Ricky's going to make me an emoji for myself. I told her to make it look like me, but different look. I mean, just change my look completely. Okay, let's see what is she going to do. She's really good at this. Okay, hairstyle, Ricky, which one? Oh, no, I don't like that. That's my normal hairstyle. Okay. Hair color. modern. Brown hair, I don't feel. With highlights, okay. With freckles even? Wow. I want to have some freckles, but I don't have any. Okay, next. Anyway, I'm doing this. She's doing this on my iPhone Pro Max. So you can play with. You get more options with your iPhone Pro Max. I think so. Maybe not really like the later version of iPhone 10X, iPhone X, yeah, XR, yeah, same. Okay, for my eyes, she's putting some makeup, eyeshadow makeup. Kids nowadays are very talented and smart. You see, they are so creative. It's mind-blowing. I wouldn't think of that for my look to change. Oh, I miss braces. Okay, I want some braces. Braces, please, braces. Nope, nope, nope. I don't want to be a vampire. Just braces. Nope, no piercings. No piercings for me. Lips. Okay, that's it. Earrings. I want some dangling, but I want some long dangling earrings. If you're going to give me, please note that. No facial hair for me, okay? I don't like eyewear, but maybe not. Maybe this time I would. There, I like that one. Looks cool, actually. Oh wow. It's not me, but I wanna look like that. Okay. Headwear, huh? I don't want a headwear. It's hot. Okay, I want some bangs maybe, but whatever. She's going, and I'm letting her decide my look for my Animoji. Okay, come on, Ricky. How many hairs are you going to make me try? Nope, not that one. I don't like that. Okay. No, 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 no. I guess that's it. Is she picking that one? Looks like she is. She decided already. I'm gonna have a short hair with yellow highlights, I guess. Okay. With brown lips. I want some nude lipstick, you know. Angelina Jolie lips. And this is my final look. I look cool, right? Yeah.